We're here at 3179 Weebly Drive. Just kind of mapping the sewer line out across the backyard for a pool. Right here inside of the clean out, we go directly into a 45 and just start pushing diagonally straight across the yard. Now, looks like this has all been replaced. PVC lines here. It's got a little something on the screen here, but it should wash off towards the end and we'll get a better view as we pull back. We're getting towards the end of the sewer here. Got a little puddle out here towards the back. And we're in a manhole, looks like. Yeah. So now we've got our schmutz taken off the front of the camera. We'll pull back, we're in clay. Actually looks like Orangeburg going into the clay. I know we were PVC throughout. Right there at the end. And a little water and back into the PVC line. So it just looks like there's a little tiny piece of Orangeburg right there at the end of the line. Got a little clean out right there. It may not be a clean out, it might be a... Actually, it looks like a tie-in, possibly from the other side of the house. But that's right almost in the middle of the pool. I've got that marked. And we're out of the clean out. Thanks for watching.